This is TWiT.
Hey there, Scott Wilkinson here, and I'm thrilled to announce the return of Home Theater Geeks. Each week, I'll bring you the latest news from the world of audio and video, tips and tricks to help you get the most out of your AV system, product reviews, and some commentary. I have no shortage of strong opinions. Plus, I'll answer your questions, which you can submit via email to htg@twit.tv. And once in a while, I'll have a special guest on the show to chat about my favorite subject. You can enjoy Home Theater Geeks only if you're a member of Club TWiT, which costs $7 a month, but that gives you full access to everything the club has to offer, including all podcasts ad-free and access to the club's Discord channel. Or you can subscribe to Home Theater Geeks by itself for only $2.99 a month. You can also get the ad-free audio version for $2.99 a month on Apple Podcasts. New episodes drop every Thursday via Club TWiT and Apple Podcasts. With full club membership, you can even watch us record the show live. Just keep an eye on the events tab in the club's Discord channel for the schedule. I hope you'll join me for a weekly dose of Home Theater Geekitude. Until then, geek out.